Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for cable cast on. So there's loads of different ways to cast on. I think there's something like 80 or more, so there is no right or wrong, but having a few different types of cast-ons to call upon with your knitting, hopefully you can achieve the edge that you want. So the key to a good cast-on is a good tension, so it always allows you to work your first row with ease. It's not too tight. So we'll start with cable method. So I've got 10mm needles, Amazon Super Chunky in light denim, and let's cast on. So this cast on's a nice strong cast on. You don't need to worry about your tail. It's slightly stretchier than the 2 needle cast on, but not as stretchy as the thumb method. This is nice cast on if you find that your cast on's a bit, if you use the 2 needle method and find that it's too tight, this would probably work much better for you. So slip knot, if you need to know how to do a slip knot, if you refer back to my Learn to Knit, it'll show you properly on there. So you knit your first stitch like you would normally, and then you pop it back on like you would normally. Pull it but not too tight. Then you place this needle, the right hand needle, through the stitches like that to the back. So you're not going in any of the stitches like that. Okay, it's going right through. Okay, and then you wrap the wool around like you would normally. Bring it through and then pop it back on. So you've got to loosen up a little bit to get it back onto your needle. And then I put the right hand needle through the one that you just put back on and the previous one, and then I pull it just a little bit, and then you carry on the same way through, stretch it through, put it back on like that, and put your needle back through between the stitches, and then you can pull it, not too tight, just nice tension through, back on. So you can see you've got that little bit of space where you've tightened up around this needle, so it's not quite as tight. That's it, back on, and put your needle back between those two and carry on like that. That gives you a nice edge as well. I like to use this on jumpers, especially my children's jumpers when they get stretched. This makes them a little bit tougher. And that's it. Let's do one more and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And if you want to know what it looks like knit, I'll knit this first row and then you can see. I used to like this cast on because I used to cast on really tight, and this used to just loosen it up that little bit for me, but still be a nice strong cast on. So there you see, it's a nice, I like it anyway. I like the little sort of plaited bottom edge. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and hopefully I'll have some more videos for different types of cast-ons. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.